Hi everybody, I hope these collective pages are very easy and useful to the students for their studies. The outbreak of the First World War and its aftermath. In our world history, 19th century was a turning point like 14th and 15th century. This was the first industrial war that drew on the economic resources of the entire world. Let's see the introduction. The political map of the World War was redrawn. The capitalist countries were searched their chance to establish their power in the world. This was before the lesson. We go to see the important countries who participated in the World War first. See the map. America, the Great Britain, Belgium, Austria-Hungary, France, Germany, Italy, Morocco, Africa, Bosnia, Turkey, Russia, Japan. They are the important countries participated in the First World War. We can divide this chapter in 5 parts: scramble for colonies, rivalry of great powers, causes, courses and results of First World War, Russian Revolution and its impact, League of Nations. In scramble for colonies, first we can clear about what is colonialism. Colonialism refers to the policy of acquiring and maintaining colonies, especially for the exploitation. What is imperialism? Imperialism is a state policy and is developed for ideological as well as financial reasons. While Asia and Africa were colonized and exploited, there were trusts in USA and cartels in Germany. European imperialism became a total system of the logic of which was total militarization and total war. In USA, a trust is an industrial organization engaged in the production or distribution of any commodity. The trust would possess adequate control over the supply and price of that commodity of its own advantage. Imperialism led to the exploitation of the natural resources of the colonies. Next, rivalry of great powers. After 1870, England, France, Belgium, Italy and Germany joined in the scramble for colonies. England's discontent. England produced cheaper manufactured goods, so she met frequent clashes between US and Germany. The main impact is the rise of Japan. During this period, Japan, imitating Western nations, had become their equal in many respects. Consequently, Sino-Japanese War was happened. In 1894, Japan forced a war on China. After the war, Japan annexed the Liaotung Peninsula with the port order. Japan had proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. After this, Japan defeated Russia in Russo-Japanese War. Russia underestimated Japan. This war helped Japan enter the circle of the great powers. After 1905, Japan took control of Korean domestic and foreign policy. Let's see the causes, course and result of the First World War. In 1900, 5 of the European great powers were divided into 2 armed forces. One camp consisted Central Powers, Germany, Italy and Austria-Hungary under the guidance of Bismarck, is also called Triple Alliance. The understanding was that Germany and Austria would help each other. The another camp consisted of Allied powers, France, Russia and Britain, is called Triple Entente. England's jingoism, France's chauvinism and Germany's culture were militant forms of nationalism, contributing deceptively to the outbreak of war. The attitude of my country, right or wrong, I support it, developed the nationalism. The aggressive attitude of German Emperor Kaiser William II proclaimed that the Germany would be the leader of the world. France and Germany were world rivals. Germany's aggressive diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German navy could be directed only against her. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and the loss of Alsace and Lorraine to Germany rankled in the minds of the France. Next, the Balkan Wars. Serbia, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, and Montenegro were some Balkan countries. The Ottoman Turkey is an empire extended over the Balkan and across Hungary to Poland. Taking advantage of the political and economic instability of the Turkish empire, there were rivalries among the Balkan countries after the Balkan Wars. Austria announced the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. This Austria's action aroused intense opposition from Serbia, because these territories should have gone to Serbia since the inhabitants were in Serbia. The immediate cause of the First World War. The assassination of the Prince of the Emperor of Austria by the Bosnian Serb on 28 June 1914 was the immediate cause of the war. Course of the war. Italy, which was earlier with Germany and Austria, had left as her attempt to recover Trentino. Italy turned and joined with Allied powers. United States gave moral support to Britain and France. War in West Side. Battle of Marne was a memorable for trench war. Within a month, Paris seemed almost doomed. The given picture explained about the trench war. Trenches or ditches dug by troops enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy's fire. The main lines of trenches were connected to each other and to the rear by a series of linking trenches through which food, ammunition, fresh troops, mail, and orders were delivered. War in Eastern Side. Russia withdrew the war because of the October Revolution. The Tsarist government was overthrown by Lenin. In the Middle East, Britain attacked Turkey in Iraq and later in Palestine and Syria. End of the war, Germany started their submarine warfare. Lusitania, an American ship, sank by a German submarine. Finally, USA, the President Woodrow Wilson, declared the war against Germany in April 1917. America's entry with its enormous resources made Allied victory a foregone conclusion. Treaty of Versailles. Germany ultimately surrendered in November 1918. Germany was forced to accept harsh terms. On 28 June 1919, the Paris Peace Treaty was signed in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. Fallout of the First World War. 8 million had died in 4 years. The most striking of all was the rise and consolidation of the Soviet Union, the awakening of the colonies and their inspired attempts to gain freedom. In Turkey, Mustafa Kemal Pasha, a remarkable role for Turkey's rebirth as a nation. Kemal Pasha modernized Turkey and changed it out of all recognition. In India, Congress was reunited during the war. The Russian Revolution and its impact. The biggest outcome of the war, the Russian Revolution, was unique in the world history. Social causes. The laborers and workers whose number had increased on account of industrialization were aggrieved as they got very low wages. Opposition to the Emperor Tsar Nicholas. On 22nd January 1905, a march was organized by a priest against Tsar. The event of this day, known as Bloody Sunday, led to riots, strike, and violence. Masses of women workers demanding bread for workers and shouted, "Come out, stop work." Finally, Tsar was abdicated the throne on March 15, 1917. After the many riots, Tsar Nicholas overthrown his power. Provisional government. There were two parallel bodies are ready to take on the government functions in Russia. One was Old State Duma, comprising property classes. Another one was Soviet or Workers' Council. Duma were able to form a provisional government with the consent of the Soviets. Finally, the Soviet was dominated by the Mensheviks. Failure of provisional government. Lenin was in Switzerland when the revolution broke out. His slogan of all power to the Soviets soon won over the workers. People were attracted by the slogan of bread, peace, and land. The Duma made mistakes on the demand for the distribution of land and decided to continue the First World War. This intensified the rising in Petrograd led by Bolsheviks. Trotsky, the leader, was arrested. Pravda, the newspaper, was banned. Under Lenin's leadership, in October, Lenin persuaded the Bolshevik Central Committee to decide on immediate revolution. Trotsky prepared a detailed plan. On 7th November, the key government buildings, including the Winter Palace, the Prime Minister's headquarters, were seized by armed factory workers and revolutionary troops. On 8th November 1917, a new communist government was in office in Russia. Its head this time was Lenin. The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. This picture was given about Lenin. Let's see the last chapter of this lesson, League of Nations. The League, which was formed in 1920, consisted of 5 bodies: the Assembly, the Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of Justice, and the International Labour Organization. Permanent members of the Council are Britain, Italy, Japan, France, and United States. Even the small nations possessed the right to veto. Objectives of the League: to avoid war and maintain peace in the world, to promote international cooperation in economic and social affairs. Activities of the League: in 1920, a dispute arose between Sweden and Finland over the sovereignty of the Åland Islands. The League ruled that the islands should go to Finland. The League was asked to settle the frontier between Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia. It was successfully resolved by the League. The third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria in 1925. After investigation, he decided that Greece was to pay reparations. The League was successful in signing of the Locarno Treaty in 1924 for peace in Western Europe. Causes of failure: the principle of collective security could not be applied in actual practice. The United States of America could not become a member. The League did not have a permanent force or army. This is a main cause of failure. The rise of dictatorship in Italy, Japan, and Germany weakened the League. Japan attacked Manchuria in 1931. Italy's attack on Ethiopia. The last decisive action it took was in 1939 when Russia was expelled for her attack on Finland. The Assembly did not meet again and dissolved in 1946. Okay, the lesson was over. The end. Students, I thought this video was very useful and easier to learn. The book back question answers also included in this topic. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.